In this anchorage here, just south of Jewfish Point. We're going to try to make it all the way to the community hole. It's about 16 miles. Here we go. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Looks like you must rent kayaks or something. What a cool boat. Wow. Nice. I would be totally lost without these electronics. You see how they show you how it snakes through the little places. Totally lost without it. This guy said they just caught 5 mangrove snappers, all keepers. I could imagine out of this area here with all these mangroves. Alright, we made it to the community hole harbor. It's a pretty narrow little channel here. Cuts through there. We should be able to toss an anchor. So after about 3.5 hours, I made it here to the community harbor. Threw out an anchor. Going to make me a pot of coffee. Have me some macaroni and cheese and ravioli. What more could you want? Look at all these boats staying here for free. Not paying 1 red cent. Must be nice, huh? Ha ha ha, like I would not know. These guys got some real houseboats there, staying for free. I hope to get out fishing tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody.